morning. Children, now I am going to tell you about workbook exercise. Children, third lesson children. What is the third lesson? Food we eat. Children, take out your workbooks. Open page number 21. See here children, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is the first one? The staple food in South India is dash. RICE, rice. Rice is the main food crop grown in South India. So, the staple food in South India is rice. RICE. Children, write neatly children. Second one. Non-vegetarians eat animal products as well as dash products. As well as plant products. PLANT. Plant products. Non-vegetarian eat all types of food products that are available from both plants and animals. PLANT. Plant products. Third one. Our body needs fuel in the form of dash to get energy. Food. 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 Our body needs fuel in the form of food to get energy. FOOD. Food. Next, fourth one children. Examples of an edible underground stem is dash. Potato, onion, yam. Right here potato children. POTATO. Potato. Example of an edible underground stem is potato. Next, fifth one children. Most of our food comes from plants. Most of our food comes from plants. Plant spelling PLANTS. 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 Sixth one children. Food is essential for our growth and health. Food is essential for our growth and health. Growth spelling GROWTH. Growth. Health. 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 Growth and health. See here children. First one. The staple food in South India is rice. Non-vegetarians eat animal products as well as plant products. Third one, our body needs fuel in the form of food to get energy. Fourth one, example of an edible underground stem is potato. Fifth one, most of our food comes from plants. Sixth one, food is essential for our growth and health children. Next children, next exercise children, say whether the given statements are true T or false F. Say whether the given statements are true or false children. We get food from all animals in this world. This statement is correct children. Wrong. Put here false F, capital F. We get food from some useful animals only. Here we get food from all animals in this world. This is a wrong statement, false statement. Put here capital F letter. Next children, people prepare special dishes during festivals. This statement is correct children. Yes or no? This is a correct statement. True. True here T. Capital T. People prepare special dishes during festivals. Put here capital T. Next third one. Vegans take buttermilk instead of milk in their food. This is correct statement children. No children, this is a wrong statement, false statement. Put here F. Vegans eat plant product only. They do not eat any animal products, even milk and honey in their food. This statement is wrong. Put here F letter. Next, fourth one. Vegetarians don't eat meat. This is a correct statement. Put here T. Next, fifth one children, all the cooked food items have the same taste. This is a correct one children. No, this is a wrong statement. Cooked foods different states, different taste children. This is a wrong statement. All the cooked food items have the same taste. This is a wrong. Put here F letter. Next, sixth one. Cooked food is easy to digest for us. This is a correct statement. Cooked food is easy to digest for us. This is a correct one. Put here T, capital T. Next, seventh one. We get seafood from honeybees. This is a wrong statement children. Honey from honeybees. We get honey from honeybees. A correct statement. Here we get seafood from honeybees. This is a wrong statement. Put here capital F letter. Eighth one. Cooking is comfortable in modern kitchen. This is a correct statement. See here children. Cooking is comfortable in modern kitchen. Put here capital T. See here children, we get food from all animals in this world. False. F. People prepare special dishes during festivals. True. T. Vegans take buttermilk instead of milk in their food. False. F. Vegetarians don't eat meat. True. T. All the cooked food items have the same taste. False. F. Cooked food is easy to digest for us. True. T. We get seafood from honeybees. False. F. Cooking is comfortable in modern kitchens. True. T. Next exercise children, match the following. Food, edible seeds, LPG, nectar, early man. Food, edible seeds, LPG, nectar, early man. Here children, fire, butterfly, basic need, fuel for cooking, groundnut. Food children. Food is basic need. Right here C. Food, basic need. Right here C. Next, edible seeds. Edible seeds, groundnut. Right here E. LPG. LPG, fuel for cooking. Right here D. Nectar. Nectar, butterfly food. Right here B. Early man. Early man, fire. Right here A. Food, basic need. C. Edible seeds, groundnut. E. LPG, fuel for cooking. D. Nectar, butterfly. B. Early man, fire. A. C, E, D, B, A. Next page children. On the page, see here. Name the vegetables that can be eaten raw. Name the vegetables that can be eaten raw. First one, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Keera. K-H-E-E-R-A, keera. K-H-E-E-R-A, keera. Third one, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Fourth one, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Carrot, keera, cucumber, tomato. These vegetables that can be eaten raw. Okay children, these are can be eaten raw vegetables. Next children, identify the roots and stems in the given pictures. Identify the roots and stems in the given picture. Identify this picture children. What is this? This is a carrot. Next, this picture children, identify this. This is underground stem. These are potatoes. Next, identify this picture children. Onion. Onion also underground stem. Next, beetroot. Root. Carrot also root. Carrot. Write here carrot spelling C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Next, underground stem potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Beetroot. B-E-E-B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Root. Beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Root. Beetroot. Carrot, potato, onion, beetroot. Next exercise children, prepare different menus for these parties. Prepare different menus for these parties. This is vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan. Vegetarian parties, different menu. Prepare different menu items. See here children, vegetable biryani, pulihora, payasam, mixed vegetable curry, sambar, rice, curd, pickle, potato fry. First one, vegetable biryani. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. B-I-R-Y-A-N-I, biryani. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. B-I-R-Y-A-N-I, biryani, vegetable biryani, comma, pulihora. P-U-L-I-H-O-R-A, pulihora. P-U-L-I-H-O-R-A, pulihora, comma, payasam. P-A-Y-A-S-A-M, payasam. P-A-Y-A-S-A-M, payasam. Next, mixed vegetable curry. M-I-X-E-D, mixed. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. C-U-R-R-Y, curry, mixed vegetable curry. Sambar. S-A-M-B-A-R, sambar. R-I-C-E, rice. C-U-R-D, curd. P-I-C-K-L-E, pickle. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. F-R-Y, fry. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. F-R-Y, fry. Vegetable biryani, pulihora, payasam, mixed vegetable curry, rice, sambar, pickle, potato fry, curd. Non-vegetarian menu. Bread halwa. B-R-E-A-D, bread. H-A-L-W-A, halwa. Roti, chicken curry, chicken biryani, katta, curd. B-R-E-A-D, bread. H-A-L-W-A, halwa, bread halwa. R-O-T-I, roti, R-O-T-I, roti. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. C-U-R-R-Y, curry, chicken curry. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. B-I-R-Y-A-N-I, biryani, B-I-R-Y-A-N-I, biryani, chicken biryani. K-H-A-T-T-A, kattha. C-U-R-D, curd, C-U-R-D, curd. Bread halwa, roti, chicken curry, chicken biryani, katta, curd. Vegan. Vegans eat plant products only. They don't eat any animal products, even milk and honey in their food. Chapati. Mixed vegetable curry, fruit salad, vegetable salad. Chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-H-I, chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-H-I, chapati. M-I-X-E-D, mixed vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. C-U-R-R-Y, curry, mixed vegetable curry. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, TS fruits salad SALAD salad. Vegetable salad VEGETABLE vegetable SALAD salad vegetable salad. Chapati mixed vegetable curry fruit salad vegetable salad. Next, see here children, vegetarian. Vegetarians eat food products that come mainly from plants. They also eat animal products such as milk and honey. They don't eat meat and fish. Vegetable menu: vegetable biryani, pulihora, payasam, mixed vegetable curry, sambar, rice, pickle, potato fry, curd. Non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarians eat all types of food products that are available from both plants and animals. Bread halwa, roti, chicken curry, chicken biryani, katta, curd. Next, vegans. Chapati, mixed vegetable curry, fruit salad, vegetable salad. Okay children, understood? Thank you children. I will meet in the next class.